Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. It is Good Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is my birthday today, so we're going to see what's inside this Amazon box. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And in case there's any sales, just click on the link. And they'll usually have it at checkout. But we'll see what's inside this box. And you guys can see what other goodies they have to offer. Here we go. What do we have here? Oh boy. Cut time. There we go. Alright. There we go. Oh, these are nice. Elegant Comfort Duvet King. Cali King. 1500 thread. Egyptian cotton. Oh, these are super soft. So, like I said, all you gotta do, click on the link. And they got multiple colors. Dang, all those colors. Bam. It's like Baskin Robbins. So these are like the, you can watch them on reality shows and stuff. This is what they use and stuff. Good quality. And a decent price. So, pretty fancy dancy zipper thing. And of course, I'll be putting it on. I'm not sure how to really do these duvet covered things, so I'm gonna do it off camera and then show you. Look at that, folds. That's pretty cool. So you can take a look right now. That's the cover part, I believe. They're soft. These are really soft. Holy smokes! I might have to get another set. They're really soft. And this is gold color. I think it shows up pretty good on the camera. I'm still adjusting this Galaxy 10 Plus phone, but I think it looks pretty good right now. But that's a gold version. So they got the 2 pillowcases and the cover, and this there's cases right here. So like I said, these are really soft. I like nice feel to them. So I'm gonna set this up. So like I said, I'm not really good at setting up the duvet covers, so it might take me a little bit, and I don't want to be too long of video today because it is my birthday. So we'll sit back and I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, the 1500 king size duvet comforter. It is really easy to set up this one. You didn't have to wrestle it too much. They got these buttons right here. You gotta shove in your comforter like that. And this filled in. I still gotta straighten out a little bit, so that's why there's little lumps, but just gotta flip it the other way. It'll be alright. Nice color though for the gold version, and like I said, they got multiple colors. All I gotta do is click on the link down below. Check them out. Really cool. Like I said, super soft, really comfortable. Definitely good for the summertime. So there's pillowcases. It comes with 2 of them. You got it right here. That one. It's like that. Got it right in the middle type of deal. You gotta shove it in there. But super soft. Really nice. So definitely, YouTubers, check them out. Links will be down below. All you gotta do is click the link. Be safe. Have a great weekend and a great holiday.